Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. This bundle includes the Ring A19 Smart LED bulb and the all-new Echo Show 10, 3rd Gen. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Get your smart home started with Ring and Alexa, use your voice to control your lights. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Replaces standard A19 light bulbs, screw into your desired indoor or covered outdoor fixture and shine 800 lumens. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple, check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying I'm really happy with this bundle. My simple verdict, the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.